Did you know that banks with a high percentage of certified chartered bankers experience up to 30% higher profitability? In today's complex financial landscape, lack of proper certification and training can lead to compliance issues, operational inefficiencies, and a failure to meet client expectations. Without the knowledge and skills gained from this certification, banking professionals may struggle to navigate the intricacies of the industry, leading to missed opportunities, reputational damage, and a competitive disadvantage. However, by investing in this comprehensive program, both organizations and individuals can unlock a world of potential. This course is designed to equip banking professionals with a deep understanding of the industry's best practices, regulatory frameworks, and cutting-edge strategies. From mastering risk management and financial analysis to exploring innovative banking products and services, participants will gain a holistic understanding of what it takes to excel in the banking sector. For organizations, cultivating a team of certified chartered bankers can lead to improved compliance, increased operational efficiency, and a competitive edge in attracting and retaining clients. By leveraging the expertise of these professionals, banks can develop tailored solutions, mitigate risks, and foster long-lasting relationships with their customers. Individuals who complete this certification will emerge as trusted experts in the banking industry, capable of driving organizational success through their in-depth knowledge, strategic decision-making, and commitment to excellence. They'll gain the expertise to navigate complex financial landscapes, develop innovative banking products, manage risks effectively, and provide sound financial advice to clients, making them invaluable assets in the ever-changing world of banking. Don't let the complexities of the banking industry hold you back. Elevate your expertise and unlock new opportunities by enrolling in the Certified Chartered Banker course today. Spaces are limited, so act now to secure your spot and join the ranks of certified banking professionals shaping the future of the industry.